Hey folks, 99 here. We are back in the garage working again on the 1964 Volkswagen bus, the bulkhead panel, the panel that goes right behind the seat, which this is not the original seat. It's a temporary seat until I get to the point where I do interior and I want to get an original or a remake of that seat. I'll try to find an original out at Octometer, somewhere like that. But we got the old bulkhead panel out. Like I showed before, everything was cut out here, and if you saw the video that that I had previous to this one, the center of the bulkhead panel was cut out by someone previous to me to accommodate a seat that folds back. I wish he hadn't have done that, but it is what it is. So this is the Wolfsburg panel that will go in, but right now, today I'm going to work on cleaning up the edges. If you can see the edges right here, I mean, this thing has rivets every, probably ½ inch, 3/4 of an inch. I mean, it is very well, it was very well riveted, and it took a lot to get it all out. So it was a heck of a job getting it all out. So I got to clean those edges up. I'm going to go along and get any scraps of metal out of the seam there. Try to straighten it up. I'll get my hammer and dolly out to try to straighten up all these edges. And then get any old pieces of leftover metal, some stragglers. Clean up the edges and then try to slide the new panel in and get to tack welding and getting those seams as tight as possible. Get the seams as close to seamless as possible. So that is the project for today. And thanks for checking back in. And this again is for my Volkswagen folks. So my rifle folks, hold on, or firearms folks, hold on. I got something new that I just may be showcasing pretty soon. So watch out for that one, and you might like it. Appreciate you. I really appreciate you for watching. Respect the working class. We are out.